Did you miss us Sunday? I missed this. I didn't have a lot of news, and you know what? I was still hungover from Saturday, but we've got some stories. We're going to recap what happened last week and some breaking news that happened this week. I don't know why I said it's breaking news. It's not breaking news. All right, let's go. What's good, guys? Welcome back to the Drone Buzz, the only drone news source that gets you all the news in under 5 minutes. We tried to. I don't know, this week may be a little bit longer. But let's go ahead and recap some of the things that have happened last week. We're also going to talk about the newly leaked Mavic Air 2. I know a lot of you guys are excited about that, been chomping at the bit that you want a new drone, you want a new DJI drone. Well, you may just get one this year. Don't know when, but Jack, what do you got for us on the lawsuit from Race Day Quads? And DJI apparently typed up a massive novel to the FAA. Run it through, Jack.
Okay, so the remote ID comment period is over, and over 51,000 people commented, and one of those was DJI. In fact, DJI left an 89-page comment, yep, a big old essay, saying why this is such a bad idea. And the biggest thing that they pointed to that I think our government might listen to is money. The government believes this might cost us about $586 million. Now that sounds like a lot until you kind of dig into the numbers, and they really did. They estimate that over 10 years might cost consumers about $5.6 billion. That's a lot of dough. Their estimate, the FAA's estimate of $250 a month doesn't seem feasible after looking into it. Might be closer to about $10 a month. Now, when it starts adding up, it's a lot of money out of taxpayers' pockets. The government should hopefully take a better look at that. Another company making some waves is Race Day Quads. RDQ is going to sue the FAA should they go through with some of this proposal. They believe that it's unconstitutional, and you know what? I think they've got some ground to stand on. We've looked into this a little bit informally, and there are some privacy laws that probably you could call upon to make your case. But Race Day Quads, fantastic company. They sell parts, mostly race drones, cinematic drones, things like that. If you're into any of that, and even if you're not, if you're just flying Mavics and Phantoms, you probably ought to look into tiny whoops. Love those things. Just saying. Anyway, Race Day Quads is gonna go at the FAA, and maybe a company like DJI should start backing them. Race Day Quads is gonna foot the bill to do this. They said, hey, if it gets too big, we'll start a GoFundMe. But for now, really the best way you can support them is to shop, right? If you're buying drone stuff, take a look at Race Day Quads before you look at Amazon or Banggood or something like that. They're doing good things, and they are supporting this hobby. So yeah, the comment period is over, and now we wait and see what happens. But there are some companies and some people doing some things to make sure that we can fly our drones.
Wow, that's absolutely incredible that they're going to take on the FAA like that. Hopefully it doesn't come to this. And yeah, but if it does and they do need our support, no doubt there will be a lot of people behind Race Day Quads supporting them. But like Jack said, the best way to support them is to head over to their store. Make sure you purchase something. Hell, even if it's just a shirt, it's a small token of gratitude for the fact that they are willing to take on the FAA. All right, so let's address this leak that just hit Twitter today. So Osita Love, Osita V, Osita whatever he wants to be called, I just wish he would have a normal name. It just makes no freaking sense. Change your name, man. Anyways, he tweeted out some photos that appear to be the purported Mavic Air. Literally, there's no specifications on this drone other than you can see on the drone itself, it's Mavic Air 2. It looks like a very pint-sized Mavic 2, but a little bit larger than the Mavic Mini, so it's gonna fall somewhere in the middle. I do like the fact that on this drone, it sort of carries over the same design language of the Mavic 2. There was nothing wrong with the Mavic 2. I liked it, I love it. Still one of my favorite drones of 2018 and 2019 still. And yeah, so everything looks to be about similar as the Mavic 2. Smaller drone, really no specs, not a lot of information to go off of. I firmly believe there will be a lot of stories about this drone and a lot of speculation and ponder as to what it will pertain, but hey, you're smart, you know not to fall for those scams. You know that nobody has any other information other than we've got a couple of photos and something to wish and hope for later on this year. As of right now, obviously with the outbreak, production in China has absolutely halted, but I have a feeling if I didn't know DJI too well, I would say that maybe they're waiting for the Evo to release and they'll slam us with this drone. They did it last time with the Mavic 2, they waited, let the Autel drop, and then they dropped theirs, ultimately making buyers split their decision. I don't know, seems like a likely scenario. It's typical DJI, but obviously in a post-apocalyptic world, apocalyptic, I can't say it. Anyways, in one of those worlds where everything's just went to hell, it could possibly be just that. But let me know what you guys think about that leak in the description below. I don't have a viewer of the week. You guys recommended all these channels that already have good momentum and great success. So the channels that we are looking for are the guys that deserve the attention, the ones that make great content, but maybe nobody knows about them. So those are the drone channels we're looking for. Whether you fly FPV or camera drones, make sure you drop them down below. So yeah, anyways, we'll see you next time on the Drone Buzz, possibly back Sunday, I don't know. This is like sort of one of those things, it's a maybe, will it happen, I don't know. Anyways, got some great videos coming on the Half Chrome channel, so be sure you're locked here. And if you're not already subscribed, you came here because you saw the Mavic 2 leak, subscribe. What the hell's wrong with you? This is a great channel to be at. All right, guys, that's it. My name's Ken. I'll see you next time on the Drone Buzz. Jack, I got to do something about the screen, man. It's too small. I feel like if I go over here, my arm disappears. Like, oh my God, where's my arm? And then if I bring it back, or if I come up here, it cuts off my head. And then if I go over here, it's like, holy crap, he's half man, half gone.